Riri mehareria maguthomo kwa bajeti ya mwaka wa 2024 na mwaka wa 2025 mathiete na mbere. Kambuni ya PKF ni heanite mukana wa ati wona mendekithia mawatho wa kigina wa mwaka wa 2024 mahituka na gutuika watho, Akenya maya kurituhirwo ni ngarama ya muturire. Ataramu kuma kambuni no ne maheanite mukana wa rendekithia ria kuongera igoti kuri indo ta mugate na ndawa cia kuhurana tutambi, makiuga ati indo ici ni cirahutia mukenya na gikiro gia thi na njira imwe kwa imwe, na uguo gakora kirituhirwo ni muturire wake.
We make these comments not because we want to just criticize government, but we have a responsibility to do so where we feel things are going wrong, and we also call upon Kenyans whenever they are to call out their members of the National Assembly, because they are the people with the ultimate voice on these proposals.
There is a proposal to levy excise duty at the higher rate of 25% on vegetable oils. Again, I don't want us to look at it in isolation. We look at the ripple effect that will have on the economy.
Hamwe na uguo, mendekithia maria maheanitwo mutaratara-ini wa watho wa kigina wa kugathika magoti hari motungata matiganite ta ma kibengi ni megukorwo mari igutha rinene kuri Akenya, makiria aria marahura biashara makihuthira ngombo kuma bengi-ini itiganite.
At the same time, they need to run their businesses, they need to pay their salaries. They also need to pay the bank loans as well, which are not cheap. So there are lots of areas that we need to look into to make to improve the cost of doing business in Kenya.
You know, I can tell you something, you hear, and then I can tell you something and you're listening. Those are two very different things. And I think what they tend to do is just hear us, prepare their report, it's taken to parliament, but it's not actionable.
Utungata ugi uria utanyitwo kuhutio ni mendekithia ma magoti ni utungata wa insurance. Ataramu aya makiuga ati kambuni cia insurance ni itanyitwo kuongerera marihi ma insurance kuri Akenya, undu uria ugucungiria kunyihia kwa andu aria marenda motungata maya kumana na kuongereka kwa magoti ma iguru.
The cost of transferring money, even by mobile, so many of us feel it's quite high, and we want to take that higher with the proposed changes in excise duty. And what will happen is that when the cost of transactions become expensive, people will have to opt out and look for alternative means, some of which are not legal for that matter. And
reduce the interest rates in time to come. I'm sure they're all reading the media, they're all getting the reports from the various banks, the number of defaults, how companies or individuals are struggling to pay off their loans. So they do appreciate this. I think it will all depend on the demand and supply, but I expect the rates to come down, honestly.
Bajeti ya mwaka uyu wa kigina itanyitwo ugathomo bunge-ini ya bururi muthi wa kana kiumia giki, Akenya magitigwo na mwihoko wa ati makaya mao ni magathikiririo. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Gitau wa Njuguna.